Okay students, now see question number 9. Had I explained you the important concepts during the live class. Now understand this last question. See question number 9. It says a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Okay, this is given in the question. See figure. Find. First, find surface area of the sphere. Second, curved surface area of the cylinder. Third, ratio of the areas obtained in first part and second part. Now see the question. Here the radius of the sphere is r. It is given to us. Encloses a sphere of radius r. So you can see in the figure, students, this is the center. Okay, I have taken the center and it has to be this only center, students, and this is your radius r and r, or you can take this also as r for cylinder. This will be also r. Okay, so radius of the sphere is r. So what is radius of the cylinder? So radius of the cylinder will be small r only. What is important, if you keep this in mind, height of the cylinder. Now see this figure carefully. If I draw a cylinder here, I had explained during the live classes also, I am explaining again, students. So your center, okay, this will be your radius, and same this will be your radius. Your height is this portion, right? Your height is this portion. Now see in the figure, it is given a sphere is enclosed. Sphere is enclosed in a cylinder. So this is the height of a cylinder, h. But this h is also equal to r plus r. Okay, because this h will be equal to r plus r. Why r plus r? Because a sphere is enclosed in a cylinder. And that is why r plus r, which is equal to 2r. Now first part is asking surface area of the sphere. It is direct formula 4 pi r square. That is what I have written, 4 pi r square. Curved surface of area of the cylinder. Now see, curved surface of area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh by formula. See, 2 pi is already there, radius is r, but what is h? What is h? H will be equal to 2r. So that is why I have written here 2r. So 2 into 2, 4, right? Pi r into r square, 4 pi r square. Important, students, that is why I have explained this question. It is very important. Okay, so 4 pi r square. I hope you have followed why we have got 4 pi r square. See, CSA of a cylinder, curved surface area of a cylinder, is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH, correct? What is the value of h? See, I have shown in the figure also. H is equal to r plus r, which is equal to 2r. So in place of h, we will write 2r. Why we are taking h as 2r? Because it is mentioned in the question that a right circular cylinder encloses a sphere of radius r. That is why r and r, okay, r plus r, which is equal to 2r, which is equal to the height. Okay, you can see. So that is why we are getting 4 pi r square. Third part is asking ratio of the areas obtained. So what was the area obtained in first case? 4 pi r square. What is the area obtained in second case? 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square and 4 pi r square cancel, students. So 1 by 1, which is equal to 1 is to 1, the answer. I hope you have followed, students. Okay, go through the videos which I have already sent. Okay, and go through the notes which I have done in the live classes. Alright, understand them carefully. Try and solve those questions which I have already explained. Repeat them, and then you can do this question and in between question. And in this way, you can complete the exercise. Nothing difficult. I have explained you all the concepts. So in this way, you will complete the exercise. Okay, so study well and be good students.